All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and well, what if I told you you could have a full functioning scan tool in your pocket? Now, about a year ago or so, I talked about the ThinkDiag dongle that you can pair to your cell phone with a full functioning scan tool app. Well, it's been improved. The ThinkDiag 2. Now, one of the nice features about the ThinkDiag 2 is it comes with a detachable cable. Sometimes these things don't want to plug into where you need to plug them in. So it's nice to have an actual cable to actually plug in instead of having it, under a dash and having to jam it in. Plus, when it's extended like this, it's harder to leave behind in the car. Once you get the tool, download the app, ThinkCard Plus, Diag tool, log in, put in the activation code and serial number, and you go ahead and start downloading the cars you want to work on. Obviously, you're on your phone, depending on how big your storage is on your phone. Don't download everything, download the cars you work on, the models, and then you have a full functioning scan tool in your pocket. Bidirectional controls, data, graphing, all the good stuff. You can literally diag a car as well as you could with a much bigger, more expensive scan tool. Now, obviously, it's going to be on a smaller screen, so old guys like me may need to use glasses, just saying, but full functioning scan tool. This could be a good backup scan tool. This could be a good tool to keep in your vehicle. You can use it at a shop. If you're a young starting technician, great way to get into a full functioning scan tool that doesn't cost a lot. And it's linked to your phone. With that graphing data, you can actually look at multiple PIDs at the same time with a merge graph. For instance, you can test the multiple sensors on, for instance, a gas pedal and compare and see if one of them is dropping out. Data rate's plenty fast for doing that diagnostics. I mean, gas pedals are a little funky when they drop out. It's a good example of just the PIDs you can graph. So there will be a link in the description along with a discount code. So if you're interested in it, click the link. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.